Welcome to Goa Education Hub's classes. So today we are going to learn something special. So everyone's love that thing. So tell me students, what is something cold, sweet and yummy to eat and your favorite thing which you eat especially in a summer season? Yes. Do you know? Yes, absolutely. It's everyone's favorite ice cream. So today we are going to learn about a ice cream man. So this ice cream man is from the chapter 5th standard, and today we are going to learn about the ice cream man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottle full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So, what this poet is trying to say is, when there is summer season and there is lot of heat, there comes the ice cream man with his little cart and goes trundling down the street. The ice cream man comes with his little cart and it go on down beneath his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So here the poet says is that the ice cream man on his cart has an umbrella, the round umbrella, and what a joyful sight to see that round umbrella. To see him fill the cones with mounds. Have you seen the cones? So see, these are the cones and then the ice cream man fill these cones with the mounds of cooling brown and white. So brown and white are the kinds of the color of the cones which he fills the mounds. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottle full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So they are the flavors like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. These are the flavors of the ice creams that the ice cream man has in his cart, or chili things to drink from the bottle full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So these are the frosty fizz bottles which he has, like green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So he has an ice cream cart, no? So ice cream cart is compared to a flower bed. Like why flower bed? Because it has different kinds of ice cream in it, and that flavors of ice creams are also there, like strawberry, vanilla, and it's very colorful, no? To see his cart. So and also it has umbrella. So its cart is compared to as a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, and the way the children cluster round means the way the children gather around the cart of the ice cream man as thick as honey bees. It's compared to as a honey bees, like how honey bees move around the honey hive. So like that it is compared to a honey bees. So what are the new words on? Okay, let's go to the new words. First is blaze. Blaze is bright flame or fire. Second, trundling, moving on small board wheels. Third is mounds. Mounds are heap or pile. Third one is frosty fizz. They are chill drinks making a hissing or bubbling sound. So cluster, gather around or group of similar things. So these are the new words that we learned from this poem. So now let's go with a quick question answer series. So first question is, in which season is ice cream popular? You can write below the answer in the comment if you know the answer, or you can also write on your book. So second one is, who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Okay, so similarly you can comment below the answers. Third is, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. So which are the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart? You can comment below. The fourth and the last question is, What are the two things that ice cream man is selling? And okay, this is the fourth question. And what are the two things that ice cream man is selling? Okay, you can comment below, or also you can write the answers on your book. So the fifth and the last question is, what is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? Okay, so this answer also you can comment below or write it on your book. For the answers of this question, just check my description box. I have given it in the description. Also, I will put it in the comment section. Do check it out. So I hope you understood this poem, and if you have any doubt and questions regarding this poem, please comment below and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning.